Do you think making water kimchi is difficult? Today, I'm going to show you how to make a very simple cabbage water kimchi without flour paste, sugar, or even the process of salting the vegetables. All you need to do is chop the ingredients and pour in the salt water. After just 1 or 2 days, you will have a crisp and refreshing water kimchi ready to enjoy. Let's get started. Today, I prepared the cabbage, radish, pear, bell peppers, garlic, and ginger. First, add 2 tablespoons of salt to 10 cups of water and stir until completely dissolved. This ratio creates a perfectly balanced brine for water kimchi, not too salty and not too bland. Cut the cabbage into small bite-sized pieces. As it ferments, the cabbage becomes even crispier and adds a refreshing flavor to the broth. Wash the cabbage thoroughly and drain well. Then place it in a large mixing bowl. Next, thin slice the radish into pieces similar in size to the cabbage. Radish helps create a cleaner, more refreshing broth while adding a nice crunchy even after fermentation. For natural sweetness, a fresh fruity flavor, peel and slice 1 pear. If you don't have a pear, you can use an apple instead. If you prefer a sweeter broth, you can add about 1 cup of pear juice or apple juice. Now let's add some color and texture. Cut half of a red bell pepper into small pieces. You can also use red chili peppers. Cut half of yellow bell pepper into similar sized pieces. The bell peppers add beautiful color and extra crunchy to the kimchi. Cut 5 scallions into small pieces. Thinly slice 6 cloves of garlic. Slice a small piece of ginger as well. Garlic and ginger are optional, but they add a wonderful aroma and depth of flavor to the broth. Since ginger is mainly used for flavor, you can simply remove it before serving. Place all the prepared ingredients into a large container and mix them well. You can also use whatever vegetables you have on hand. Now comes the easiest step. Pour the prepared salt water over the vegetables. For today's recipe, I use a total of 10 cups of water. It really is that simple. No flour paste, no sugar, no need to salt the cabbage, no need to salt the radish. With just a few simple ingredients, you can make a delicious and refreshing water kimchi. Transfer everything to a container, cover it with a lid, and leave it at room temperature for about 1 day to begin fermentation. Once it develops a light tangy flavor, place it in the refrigerator and serve chilled. It tastes great after 1 or 2 days in the refrigerator. After about a day, you will start to see small bubbles forming. This is a sign that fermentation is progressing well. I recommend enjoying within about 2 weeks. This is the water kimchi I made today, and this is the veg I made 3 days ago. Even after 3 days, the cabbage is still crisp and the broth has developed a deeper, more refreshing flavor. It's so good and the perfect dish for hot summer days. I hope you will give it a try. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next recipe. Bye for now.